Are you hungry? Is that what you want? You want your dinner? Hey, look at me, not your brother. You want your dinner? Is that what you want? Is that what you're asking for? What? She just wants her dinner, folks, that's all. Oh, here comes Basenji number 2. I guess it's time to feed some Basenjis. So let's do that. Oh, you're gonna go and move on me now, are you? Come on, guys, stay on camera. Stay on camera. There we go. There they are. Hopefully that won't fall over. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to go get their puzzle feeders. Hold on. Puzzle feeders. All right, puzzle feeders. Let's fill up some puzzle feeders. Hope everybody is doing good today. We are feeding some hungry Basenjis. They love their puzzle feeders. They love their kibble. Whoops. Alrighty, I'm putting this away now. And we're gonna get these and get them to the dogs. So, I'll take that. There they are. The hungry dogs, yes. The dancing dogs. Zulu, where did it go? Okay, you ready? It's gonna be a challenge. I have them stacked. Let's see. I gotta figure out how to do this. I know. Set the camera down first, then put the food down, and then we'll walk over here and put his down. Oh my goodness, that was a challenge for my brain trying to figure out how to do that. Well, Miss Zulu, what do you think? You love your puzzle feeder, don't you? Yes, she does. And now we're gonna go over here to Mr. Zinga. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Oh, look at him. Come on, buddy. Why are you blocking the camera? They're not gonna eat your food. You don't have to block them. Gobble, gobble, gobble. That's what they do. They love their kibble. What can I say? They just love dinner time. And back over to Zulu. How you doing over here, girlie? He says, I'm doing all right. Look at that nose diving in. Some of the channels are too small for the nose, so she goes in with the tongue. There we go. Oh, she can get her little snout in there. That's funny. All right, back to Zinga. I don't know if it's a race. I think Zulu might be winning. Let's see how many we got over here. And then we're gonna go back over here. Ooh, they're all clustered in one spot for her. Kind of spread out all over for him. Different eating technique. He's a grazer. She's taking them in groups. All right, how we doing over here, buddy? He's still making his way, kibble by kibble. Oh, I don't know, he might win now. Let's see. Oh, it's really close. It's really close. No, I still think she's got a better technique. He is hunting and finding one kibble at a time. She is devouring whole sections at a time. 2 kibbles left. Ready? Come on, get it. Get it. Here we go. She got them all. Zulu's officially done. And Zinga has like 2 kibbles left. 1 and 2. They do finish very close to each other, I will say that. But she typically does win by a nose. And then they have to go check each other's out. She's gonna eat all his crumbs. Oh, he walked right by hers, didn't even care. Yeah, I'm looking at it. That's why there's not a crumb left. She's like, I'll help you finish all your crumbs, brother. Right? Like, I'll lick it clean. Give me more. Never enough. All right, guys, well, what now? Now that dinner time is over, are we going outside again? You want to go in the backyard? What do you think, Zinga Ray? You want to go out back? Yeah, you want to go out back, girlie? Come on, let's go out back. All right. Ready to run? All right, man, it is still windy as can be out here. I don't have my other mic on, my external mic with the wind protection, so it might be a little windy on the mic. Sorry if it is. It's not too bad in here because of the fence, but it can be, for sure. All right. Where are we going, guys? Oh, Zinga's off. Zinga's off. Where's he going? You're back over here again to smell. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Chase you down and get you, boy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Uh-oh. I know that hunt. He is looking for a spot. I'm gonna have to go get a bag. I'll just leave him over there to do his thing. He was not in the mood to run. He was taking care of business, we'll say. And what is Miss Zulu doing over here? What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? So guys, she's looking for a spot too. Yep, I knew it. All right, well, let's go check in on Zinga. I have a feeling I'm gonna need to go in the house and get a bag. Oh, here he comes. Ooh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go pick up, but that's okay. Right, guys? Let's go widescreen. There we go. A little easier to get them both. We'll go with the wide view. Keep them on camera. Whoa. Zinga Ray. Looking good. Zulu Joy. Looking really good, yeah. Aw, you booping me? Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for the kisses. Yeah. Little tail scratch. She's like, I love that. What you looking at? What you looking at, huh? What are we looking at, Zinga? What? What are we looking at? What do you see, buddy? I know what I see, a beautiful dog. Hit that like button. Hit that like button for these beautiful pups. Yeah. Zinga Ray. And Zulu. Relaxing in the backyard after a nice kibble dinner. Right, guys? Yeah. Hearing all kinds of noises out there. They hear it. I think there's a school bus going by, a truck or something. They hear all the noises. Zinga Ray. Come Zulu. All right, guys, you ready to go back in the house? Are you ready to go back in? Come on, let's go back inside. Come on. Come on, Zinga. Let's go back in. Right back to the food bowl, really. It's like that song. Never enough, never, never. All right, well, I think that will conclude another Basenji Adventures video. We appreciate you guys. Remember to like the video, leave us a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join our adventures. Have a good day, everybody.